The transport layer is sort of like sending a package. Do you want it sent fast or do you want it signed for? There are two main protocols used, UDP and TCP. Again, like any protocol, you have certain duties to perform. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is very fast and very reliable, but once you get in speed, you lose in guarantee. UDP blasts packets through, but the only assurance that the packet arrived intact is a checksum value. Not quite secure since there's an infinite way to add up to a number like 2. The advantage is that even if the packet wasn't quite right, another one will be along almost instantly. Most PLC remote I/O and internet streaming is done via UDP. Transmission Control Protocol is the choice of transportation methods when accuracy is tantamount. It works differently and is more involved. Whereas UDP takes a newspaper and drops it off the porch, TCP rings the bell and asks for a signature. With TCP, a request is made to open a channel of communications, a socket. Once opened, the packets are sent in a particular order. Then, the sending unit waits for confirmation of receipt and that the data was received in the correct order with nothing dropped. Once this message is received, TCP then closes the socket again to avail to another packet when ready to go. The top three layers are lumped together: the application layer, the presentation layer, and the session layer. You're likely familiar with one or two of the protocols that are in play once the packet has been received on these layers. HTTP, well, that's Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And I know what you're thinking, hey, that's how web pages know how to display stuff. Well, not quite. That's HTML, Hypertext Markup Link, but HTML won't work without HTTP. FTP is File Transport Protocol, and if you've ever moved a lot of large data, you'll be using that transport. But here's one you likely haven't seen: CIP.